All right, so my first stop at the Middleby booth is with Scott. Scott, how are you doing?
Doing really well, doing really well.
What is your title at Middleby?
Sure, my name is Scott Heim. I'm the president of Middleby's Ventless Cooking Solutions. And what makes us excited is we've got an entire portfolio of ventless. Only Middleby can make this claim that we've got 415,000 units successfully installed in restaurants globally.
Wait, only who?
Only Middleby.
Only Middleby, you heard it here.
Yeah, that's right, that's right.
I love it.
Yeah. And I'm glad that we're starting right here. As you look behind us, you see this entire setup for a burger bar. And there are three key things we want to convey in this discussion. Number one, for the restaurant operations, it's all about how can we mitigate the issues with labor. There is more and more labor turnover. And one of the crummiest parts of the job at a QSR, for example, is the frying. So right behind us, you see the fry bot. And the whole idea there is to allow it to become automatic. So it's the loading of the basket, putting the basket into the fryer, taking it out, even shaking it, and then putting it into the crisp and hold.
I love how you say fry bot. It's like, it's just a bot, right?
Yeah.
They have a robot cooking food back there.
Exactly.
That is crazy.
Yeah. So, and that's what Middleby does. We look at the operations and how do we make it better for the operator. The second thing that we're doing is you can see all the cooking being done here. We can actually, as I said, make it ventless. And what that allows the operators to do is pick the best possible sites. It could be those non-traditional sites in the airports, train stations, where you've got unusual ventilation situations. You can now create restaurants.
Yep.
Or, the key thing, the stadiums and arenas across the world are becoming more and more expensive. It's incumbent upon the operator, the Aramarks, the Delaware Norris, the Oaktree groups, to take advantage of that space. Take the concourse area and create pockets of F&B revenue, which you can now do with these ventless setups.
Everybody loves revenue.
They have to get the revenue.
Well, I got one question for you. What about the odor?
Oh my gosh.
Tell me about the odor.
This is key. Right behind us, we have the Nico broiler. Nico has been a mainstay with Burger King and other operations for over 50 years. But when you cook, think about a Burger King, there's a nice appetite appeal, the aroma, but you've got a lot of operations. They do not want all the odors going out and exhausting into the space. So what only Middleby has, and that's the key thing.
Only
I
Middleby.
keep saying only Middleby. We use the power and the unique characteristics of ozone, and the ozone actually hits the fats, the oils, and the grease that naturally generate during the cooking process, and we convert it, we destroy it, we obliterate it, and it becomes a benign carbon ash. That goes into the sewer system. But the key thing, not only do we get rid of the odors, the 65 feet of ductwork on our newest innovation, which is the Evo open canopy hood, the 65 feet of ductwork never has to be cleaned. The ozone scrubs itself every time the operator turns the equipment on.
What you guys are doing at Middleby absolutely blows my mind. The level of technology and science you put into what you guys do, it's crazy.
And that's the whole thing. The benefit that we get, we have the secret weapon, all the culinary chefs that you've been talking to. It's taking the art of the culinary side and the science of technology, the science on ventless with ozone, and blending the two together where we give unique solutions.
Oh man, I'm excited to go on the rest of these tours. Scott, you set the bar really high with this.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I really
thank you so
enjoyed
much.
it. So thank you.
I appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Thanks.